Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to install this Ferrari mod. Now the first thing that you have to do is install Open4, which I have a video on how to do, which you can check out in the cards of this video. And once you have Open4 installed, I recommend you install Simple Trainer. Any other trainer will work, but I recommend Simple Trainer as that's what I'm going to be using in this video. And I also have a video on how to install this trainer, which you can check out in the cards as video as well. So once you have those two things installed, you can go ahead and download the mod, which I have right here. So it's in my downloads folder, so I just have to open it up. And there's only one way of installing this mod. So first, what you'll need to do is you'll need to open up your Grand Theft Auto 5 main directory. Now one way of opening it up is by going into your library, Steam library, then going into library games, right click on Grand Theft Auto 5, click on properties, local files, browse local files, and here you go. Now another way of finding your Grand Theft Auto 5 main directory is going into this PC and searching up GTA5.exe. Now yeah, your Grand Theft Auto 5 main directory is wherever your Grand Theft Auto 5 .exe application is, file is. So once you have found your Grand Theft Auto 5 main directory, what you want to do is copy update into your mods folder, which I have right now, so I don't have to do that again. But yeah, you just want to copy it into your mods folder, and if you don't have your mods folder, then you probably didn't follow my Open4 installation guide. So once you've done that, you go into mods, update x64 DLC packs, and then you open up your mod folder and just drag this file into here, this folder into here. Make sure you don't drag it into any of these folders and drop them into here. Make sure you don't do that, because then you'll copy the folder into a folder instead of creating a brand new one, just like right here. So next you want to open up the readme. You want to scroll down, copy this line of code by pressing Ctrl C. Next you want to open up Open4. Okay, click on Windows. Oh, I'll let this download. Okay, there we go. Next you want to enable edit mode. Yes. And then, okay, that's weird because, okay, there we go. So now what you want to do is you want to go into mods, update RPF, common data, then you want to look for DLC list. Now you right click on this, click on edit, and then you want to move your cursor to around here after paths, press enter, tab, and then Control V. There we go. It should look like this. Now you can save, and there we go. We are done with installing this mod. Now I'll start up GTA 5 and we'll see how the game runs and how this car mod looks like. Okay, so as you guys can see, the game has started up. Now excuse me for the lag. It's because I have a billion tabs open in Chrome. So to open up the menu, you press F4, and then to scroll through the menu and select things, you just press the arrow keys as well as enter or the number 5. Then you want to scroll down to of course vehicle spawning and spawn vehicle by model name, and in here you just want to type in J50 and that should spawn. Okay, if it doesn't spawn, then try it again, because this is a pretty big, pretty detailed car mod. So there we go. As you can see, it spawned perfectly fine. Now let's check out the interior. The interior looks stunning. Wow, yeah, it really does look good. That's amazing. Okay, dials all work. Okay, even the lights on the steering wheel work. Okay, let's back it up. Not too sure why it's not going back. Wow, interesting. Okay, so let's check out the exterior. Let's open up all the hood, the doors, all that. Okay. So as you can see, the door is modeled very well. You can see all the details. The door lock. It's very nice. Okay, the hood is modeled very well. You can see the trunk. You can see the latch on the hood. So it looks very detailed. The engine seems to be animated. Yes, it is. So that's really cool. I really like this mod. So that's pretty much how to install this mod and what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I like this mod. Not too sure if I'm gonna make a video of it, but I mean a showcase of this mod, but I think I might. Although it's not really my type of car, but it looks good. Looks okay. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, any questions, just leave them down below and I'll try to respond as soon as I can. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.